Here's a brief instruction video on how to frame your document in your new Churchill Classics frame. Along with your frame and document, you'll need a ruler, glass cleaner, a dull butter knife, paper towels or a soft cloth, scissors, and a towel. To begin, lay the frame face down on the towel. Open the frame by bending the flexible tabs up. You can use the dull butter knife to help you with this. Remove the backing board and mat, leaving the glass in place inside of the frame. Enclosed with your frame is an instruction brochure, which includes a strip of archival mounting tape. Remove the strip and cut it in half. Place the mat and document face down. Visually center the document inside of the mat opening, using a ruler to measure if necessary. Remove the backing from the two strips of tape and place them approximately 4 inches apart along the top of the back side of the document. The document hangs from the top and should not be taped at the bottom or sides. This will provide room for the natural expansion of the paper and help prevent buckling. Then place the backing board behind the document with the black side facing out and set aside. The glass in your frame should be all set, but if needed, you can use a little glass cleaner on a paper towel for a final streak-free clean. If your frame has plexiglass, use water instead of glass cleaner. Next, place the mat, document, and backing board face down on the clean, dry glass. Hold the backing board against the glass and flip the frame up to inspect. To secure, press the flexible tabs down against the black surface of the backboard. To hang your frame, use the enclosed level lock hanging system. Instructions are included, and you can also view our level lock hanging system video on the Churchill Classics YouTube page. Enjoy your newly framed document!